Dah. Dah.
Assalamualaikum and good evening and good day. My name is Ahmad Ferus. Matrix number is 01DE25F1088.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Akin Azmi Muhammad Azwai. My matric number is 01DE25F1075.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ammar bin Ahmad Azli and my matrix number is 01DE25F1070.
Now we are going to calibrate the oscilloscope, and as you can see here, it's a 4V peak to peak. Now we are going to turn on the power on the analog oscilloscope, and as you can see, the screen is lighting up. And then we can see on the volt division it's 1, and we're going to adjust on the knob to 1. And then we're going to change it to channel 2, and also the same at the source to channel 2. And do not change the volt division. And then as we can see on the time division, we are going to put it at 2, but we already did adjust the knob to 2. And right now we're going to go to the screen, and as you can see on the screen, we have some pattern that just light up. And we are going to move to the generator. As you can see on the generator, we are going to adjust on the amplitude, and as you can see, number of variation is 4. Yes, it's 4. And then we're going to adjust and change on the amplitude a little bit.
Okay, so you can see the sinus waveform is almost done. So we need to adjust the position to get a better look. And then we need to adjust the number of division for one cycle is 1.6. Okay, so you can see we already got number of division for one cycle is 1.6. Okay, and then you can see the sinus waveform on oscilloscope is same on the paper. Okay, it's done. Thank you. Next, this is triangle waveform. Okay, so for the VP to P is 10, frequency is 2 kHz. So the volt division is 2. Okay, so we need to change the volt division on the channel 2 to 2. Okay, we need to change the volt mode to channel 2 and the source to channel 2. Okay, next we need to change the time division to 0.5 ms. Okay, now let's see, the number of division is 5, and we have to adjust the amplitude and knob correctly. Okay, change the amplitude again. So now let's move to the oscilloscope and let's see the triangular waveform, and the number of division is 1 and time division is 0.5. We have to change a little bit knob again to adjust the triangle form to be like this. Okay, same with the diagram and the oscilloscope. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye bye.